Hi guys, welcome to my channel Exploring Great Britain. Today I'm visiting Dublin. Enjoy your watching.
Welcome to the main street in Dublin. This is Grafton Street, where you can find the main shops, and it's quite vibrant, and there is a lot of pubs, and you can just come here for a nice Saturday evening full of shopping and drinks and good crack. You always mean my ritual. Today is a very nice day, so instead of singing in the rain, we're gonna sing in the sun. Welcome to Carluccio, the two greedy Italians. We are here in Dublin City from the fantastic River Liffey. Welcome to Ivan Gardens, one of the beautiest gardens in Dublin City. If you want to have a good pint, so you need to choose the Guinness.